Okay, I'm gonna try to make more videos about Starcraft Create, and there's just a lot to digest in this very robust program. The customizable features are just insane, like there's so many. So I'm gonna try to give you just one tip at a time so you can kind of start to see what all's possible. And I'm gonna show you what has become my new favorite. Okay, so if I'm working in Starcraft Create and I wanna bring in a print and cut image, yes, you can just do it by dragging and dropping. Okay, so there it is. It's gonna show me the print boundaries on my connected printer, first of all. So I've resized within the print boundaries. And then you can see the little registration marks right here. It's like these little triangles in the corner. You can actually go up here to Cutter and click Cutter Settings. And you can custom edit the thickness of your registration marks and how far away they are from your design. So I could tighten these up around my project if I wanted to allow me to print my object bigger. That rocks.